we're going to be making our player so whenever it goes on a racetrack, it actually prints something out. So let's get into it. So open up your Unity and open up your game. And then once you've done that, wait for it. And then, okay, so you just want to open your jump script up. Once you open your jump script, let's wait for it. Okay, once you opened up your jump script, we want to update some things in our game. In the last video, I had this as a lowercase b. Make sure to have this as a capital B for this line right here. Other than that, that's the only change. Let's just get into the real code now. So you want to go to this public vector 3. So you want to go to this public bool is grounded, and you want to write false in the place. And then once you've done that, you want to go to public vector 3, and you want to write equals and then new vector 3, yeah. And then once you've done that, you want to write a parenthesis, then 0.0f, comma space, and then 2.0f, comma space, 0.0f, and then you want to make sure you have that thing at the end, the, what do you call it, semicolon, yep, that. And before you do anything, I made a mistake too, make a space, there you go. And next line is you want to go here into this void start, and you want to write rigid body, so rigid body, and then equals get component, so get component, there we go, it comes up, and we want to have the little thingies at the end, so the little greater than less than signs and go into those, and then write rigid body with a capital R, rigid body, and then a parenthesis to end it off, so okay, there we go, parenthesis, and then a semicolon, there you go, and then it'll fix itself. And then next line you want to do is go over to this, the end parenthesis right there, so you have the void start right here, and you want to go to your the parenthesis, so there's a parenthesis at the start, parenthesis at the end, and you want to press enter. And then what you want to do here is you want to write void and then on collision, right, on capital C collision, enter. Make sure, stay, on collision stay, and it'll auto correct itself to private void on collision stay with something in the parentheses. Just delete that, and you want to delete this in the parentheses. There we go. Okay, so now once you've done that, you wanna once you've done that, make sure to not have any space in between them, like in between the parenthesis and the void thingy, the void variable. And you wanna write this thing so we can test it out for the next video, because in the next video we're gonna be finishing our jump function, so we're just gonna be testing this one out. So you wanna write is grounded equals true, semicolon, make sure it goes blue. Then you want to write print, so print, and then you want to have a parenthesis, and then a what do you call this, a quotation mark, and then we're gonna write we grounded. You can write anything in this, you don't have to write we grounded, but yeah, at the semicolon, and that's it. So you just want to save it. Now let's go back to Unity, and one thing I was going to show you guys is now we should, if I'm correct, if we can move just one sec, there we go. Okay, so let's go to our jump script. Wait, let's go here to our jump. Yep, there we go. If you go into player, you should see rigid body right there, and we have a rigid body variable now. So there we go. So that's how you know it's saved, and make sure you have a rigid body area right there. And now we're gonna run our game, and I'll show you something. So let's go and move our mouse to the console. Make sure you're on the console, and you wanna drive until you get to here, and then wait. Let me do it again. So go on to wait. Go on to. Okay, guys. So you just wanna play the game again, and you wanna make sure you have your console out. Make sure you only have clear on play. That's why it wasn't working for me, and I should wait. If we move, okay, I don't know what is happening. Whoa, okay, there we go. So it should wait. Oh my god, my game is so weird today. We should. I didn't know. I don't know if you saw, but we should be able to go over it. There we go. As you can see, we can now go over our stuff, and it will actually print out stuff like the what's that? The what was we printed out something in our thing project. See now jump script. Oh yeah, here we grounded. It prints out we grounded every single time. Just doesn't show, but it does say that we have printed it out. So yeah, you can now go over your racetrack. As you can see, we're not fully finished our code yet, because sometimes, I don't know if you guys saw, but we actually didn't get to move over it over here. So if I went over it right there, it wouldn't move over. So we haven't fully finished it, but we can now actually go over it a bit. So yeah, that is good. And now all you want to do is save your project, and there you go. Oh wait, no, not like that. Save, save. There you go. And then you want to exit out of Unity, because that is the end of today's video. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.